Hello guys, today we'll see eclipse and staggered conformation of ethane. So we'll first see Newman projection formula for ethane. So first draw this dot, it corresponds to one carbon, and this big circle corresponds to second carbon. So each carbon atom is bonded to 3 hydrogens, so middle carbon is bonded to 3 hydrogens, and this bigger carbon is also bonded to 3 hydrogens. So in staggered conformation, all the substituents, here there are hydrogens, are far apart from each other, so it is more stable conformation of ethane. Then see the eclipse conformation. Again the bigger circle is one carbon and dot is another carbon. Bigger circle meaning it is near to the observer, and dot means it is away from the observer. So there are 2 carbons, and these 3 carbons are for the carbon which is away. These 3 hydrogens are for the carbon which is away, and these 3 hydrogens are for bigger carbon. So if you see, these hydrogens are near to each other, so this is less stable conformation of ethane, and it is eclipse. So in eclipse and staggered conformation of ethane, staggered is more stable because hydrogens are apart from each other. So this is about Newman projection formula. And in Sauer's formula, Sauer's is written like this. So just first draw 2 dots and connect them. And for staggered conformation of ethane in Sauer's formula, first draw Y and then opposite Y. So this will be your Y and this will be opposite of Y, and just draw hydrogens to that, because this molecule is again ethane. 2 carbons are here, 2 dots are 2 carbon. So these hydrogens are apart from each other, therefore it is staggered. And in eclipse conformation, see these 2 carbons, this dot are 2 carbons, just join them and then draw both the Y opposite in direction. So this one and this one, both the Y's, okay, it is Y downward like this. So in eclipse conformation, both the carbon will bond in this fashion. So these hydrogens are near to each other, so it is less stable in eclipse conformation. Staggered conformation is always stable, more stable than eclipse conformation. For Sauer's formula, this should be a straight Y and this is opposite of that, and here both are opposite. Okay, so that's how the stability works. Thank you for watching the video.